Katana transport ke Sorkar Jylla harangkat ke cingi trelang ba katana civil aviation ke Sorkar India hak step khatsau trek nai wiang arca apsau kila penlong ke cing Pyrshang ye ke cing temu bonora pentrikam ka leit kawan dagi Liengsuiñ ki bala benda masla kumju lani ke seaplane ya kani ke cing Pyrshang ne ke demo la penlong Pung Umīam hak bang menteri Sorkar India beri pej katana civil aviation Mohon Naidu lawan mai donlang rengkat menteri rangba ke Jylla Meghalaya konrad ki sangma ki officer ke Airport Authority of India ki officer Sorkar lem ki weipan hakani ke step ke ni Liengsuiñ ke bala benda masla ke bala tip kum ke di havilan nari Canada bala kershan ru dek spice jet kala pen i ke cinghiar bat cingkiu nasla ke Pung Umīam hagir kom baper kani ke cing Pyrshang sedang hari India borok kawai na duk khadwai trek nai wiang arca apsau bala penlong ha ke Jylla Andhra Pradesh bat Kerala kani ke Liengsuiñ kan her se Andaman and Nicobar Islands ki caka baper bat don ha ke lengri hendai kani ke cing temu a cing shikri lang bagi ni Liengsuiñ kandang simpor marhaban soy ke memorandum of agreement katkum ke skim udan.
This gives us the potential of seaplane operations, especially in the northeast, where still connectivity is a big challenge. And if you look at the vision of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he has taken the connectivity of northeast with topmost priority. Let it be road connectivity, rail connectivity, or air connectivity. He wants the northeast to be integrated with the mainland with the best connectivity that is possible. And from the Ministry of Civil Aviation, we want to ensure that his vision becomes a reality, and we have expanded the airport network also in the northeast, and today to take it much more further to reach to the more remotest areas, we are utilizing the seaplane network. And earlier also seaplanes was launched in the country, but we saw that there are certain challenges that have emerged. So we spoke with the stakeholders, we have taken their suggestions, and now we have liberalized the regulation a little bit so that the industry can flourish, the seaplane operations can come up with the full potential. And today in the Umīam lake, and it's a wonderful, beautiful landscape that we have here. And imagine the kind of boost the seaplane operations can give, not just for the connectivity, but also the tourism in the Meghalaya sector. So that is what we want to tap into. And now with this kind of seaplane, this has been brought by de Havilland from Canada. And this is a plane which can land in the water, which can land in the sea, which can land in regular airports also. It's an amphibian aircraft. So any place that you want, you can land, you can take the air connectivity to that region. So we see that there is a big potential for the seaplane operations. We will partner with the state government of Meghalaya, and we will see which all locations are the possible locations. And our Chief Minister has also guided us to look at Tura location, where it is his dream to give a connectivity, air connectivity to that region. And I see that possibility, the dream becoming a reality with the seaplane operations. And also he wants the expansion of Shillong Airport. We went to the Shillong Airport, we have reviewed the situation there, and definitely within 1.5 years time, we want to see that the operations are expanded and big aircrafts can also land there and boost the connectivity of the state of Meghalaya. Our intention from the Ministry of Civil Aviation is Hawai Chappal se Hawai Jahaj ka safar. Each and every person of this country should aspire to travel by air. We want to bring in affordable air travel into the country and connect each and every nook and corner of the country with air travel. Wherever airports, there is a possibility, we are building more airports. In the last 10 years, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister, we have expanded the airport network from 74 to 157. And wherever there is no possibility for doing an airport, we are going to use the water bodies, we are going to use rivers, we are going to use the coastline, the seas of the country, so that we can connect them to through the seaplanes also. And we are also doing a 2-day civil aviation summit in the state of Meghalaya, and we once again thank the Honorable Chief Minister for letting that happen. So one is the helicopter and small aircraft summit, which happens usually in different parts of the country, and we have brought it under the partnership of state of Meghalaya. We are hosting it here in Shillong itself, and tomorrow we have a Northeastern Aviation Summit. So with these two summits will help us boost the aviation network in the Northeast especially. Northeast is such a place where people don't not only from the rest of the country want to come here, but now we are seeing a growing demand for the rest of the world also wanting to come here. They want to come here for tourism, they want to come here for spirituality, they want to come here to connect to the nature, and they want to come here for business activities also. So this is going to be a big potential hub for us in terms of connectivity, not just in terms of the regional connectivity, but across the globe also. And we are going to support the state government of Meghalaya in whatever aspirations or in whatever plans that it has, and we'll offer our full support and see and ensure that Meghalaya is properly connected through air, let it be through the regular airports or seaplane operations or helicopter operations.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.